Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to submit an Upwork proposal. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to upwork.com. Log into Upwork using your credentials and you'll be on this page. On this page, select any of the job where you want to apply for. Now simply click on the Apply Now button at the top of that job. When you click on Apply Now button, you'll be promoted to another page. So this is Submit a Proposal page. This page is all you need to submit a proposal. So scroll down and in the term section, choose what hourly rate you want for the job. So enter your preferred rate and scroll down. Now choose how often do you want a rate increase. I'm going to choose never. Now scroll down and in this cover letter section, you'll have to basically tell the client why you're the best fit for this job post. What are your skills and expertise that matches this job post and how you can get the client's work done in no time and without any problem. So type a personalized cover letter explaining why you're the best fit for this job. Now scroll down and select profile highlights. Click on add an Upwork job and choose a job that you have done previously. Click on select highlight, click on add to highlight. Now click on add a portfolio project, select a project by clicking on select highlight and click on add to highlights. Now scroll down and in the boost your proposal section, you'll have to click on set a bid. Now you can set a bid for your proposal or you can simply click on send for 17 connects or whatever connects the job post need and you'll have successfully sent a proposal on Upwork for that job. So that's how you can submit a proposal, that is through this page. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.